दिद्दिद्दित्तै तिरु तिरु गणनाथ दिद्दिद्दित्तै आशीर्वदिंचु आ चदुवुलम्म तोडै तिरु तिरु गणनाथ.
These people have achieved a big deal, big thing. They are selected for 10 lakhs package of NamWest company. So that is a wonderful achievement. So, before all of you, I really congratulate all these students. And this kind of achievement was not possible in any other university or college around this area. ఈ ప్రాంతంలో వేరే కాలేజీలో వేరే యూనివర్సిటీలో ఎక్కడ అవ్వలేదు. ఇదే ఈ ఇయర్కి ఫస్ట్ అటెంప్ట్. I really congratulate all these students. They are your batchmates. They are your classmates. So they have done excellent work. I really congratulate you all.
Good morning everyone. I am truly delighted to share this proud moment with you all. 9 students got selected with 15 lakhs per annum and 8 students got selected as interns with 55,000 per month.
To results, I request our principal ma'am to congratulate all the 36 students who have been shortlisted for this NatWest Drive.
Those you got shortlisted for the NatWest, you all are the winners. So you are representing third year and final year and you all are the cream students, okay? And for anything like, they cannot select everyone, isn't it? And maybe some of you got selected, that we will announce soon. Some of you have not selected, but my request is, so please don't be low, don't get disheartened, and feel that there are lot of opportunities are there. One drive will not decide your future, okay? And they always say that the failure is the because the recruiter they doesn't know who is who, isn't it? Based on your performance only they got selected. They have selected you. So that is the reason always find out which skill you are lacking and that you have to fulfill. And that you have to focus more on that. So and
the first in the list is Bobirati Kiran Mai.
That you learn those skills to prove yourself in that job. So just be confident and be patient. Definitely there are much better opportunities and I wish you all the best.
So for me, it's not about only coding. I even aced in the other section, so I think I got shortlisted for the second round. Whereas coming to interview, mine is not all about technical questions. Mine is my panel focused on my extracurricular activities, my internships and my projects, so that's what brought me here. And coming to my practice, to be honest, my internship really helped me and my projects helped me. And coming to coding, I used to practice for at least 1 to 2 hours daily in the morning and in the evening. And the other sections like aptitude, English, so I balanced everything of that. And even my, you should not just focus on studies, you should also focus on the other activities, go outside, enjoy and do all those things. You should balance both of them, then only you will be successful. Thank you.
Improve your logical skills and apply those logical skills by doing projects, where you will doing projects in the sense you just see around your world. If you find any problem, just do that project, and that is pretty much important. When it comes to communication, try to speak with everyone. These are the good things you need to have to get a good placement. Thank you.
Even though we know everything, we have to know where to use, like we have to we are good at even though we are good at everything, we have to project those skills to the interviewer. So also coding plays a major role, because in coding we are good at syntax and fundamentals. Even though we know everything, we should know where to use.
role in the interview. The way we convey the answer is very important, and practice is something we need to do every day and be consistent.
Aptitude is also very important. I think it may played a major role in shortlisting for the first round. When it comes to second round, you need to give an assurance to the interviewer that you can learn it. Even you don't know, you should give that assurance. I think that made me to the HLS. Thank you.
Shortlisted. Coming to the interview basis, just basics are enough, and also scenarios, please answer truthfully whatever you feel, and they will test your sense, common sense, like how do you feel in such a situation and what will you do if you do in such a situation. So that's why please answer via that, so that you might get a chance of shortlisted.
Recalling of the concepts which you have already learned before, it helps you a lot. Which brush up
The projects, they asked questions of projects also, but they have seen my profile like you're good at coding, you're 3-star coder or something. There tends to be so much, but being good knowledge in everything helps, because I also concentrated in projects and internship. Everything comes together. Don't miss anything. Everything